continuation from the previous video that we did about the pineapple peel juice. So we are going to make our jam using apple and pineapple, that is apple pineapple jam. So first we are going to peel our apples because our pineapples are already peeled, and we are also going to use the lemon juice and also sugar. So let me peel this one, the apples, then we continue. Next we are going to cut these apples into small pieces like this to enable it to boil very fast, because we are going to boil it then blend it. Next we are going to boil our apples. We are going to put a little water, then we boil them. We are going to let our apples to boil as we cut our pineapples into pieces. So we are going to blend our pineapples. I'm done blending pineapples only, nothing added to it. So we are going to sieve it. So heavy. It will take you some time when you have a small siever. So if you want also the faster way of extracting your juice from the pineapple, is by using also a cloth, a clean cloth, kitchen cloth. You put your pineapple and squeeze it. So here we are done squeezing our juice. This is our juice and this is our residue. Yeah. So this is our apple that we left to boil. It had already boiled into soft, and I cooled it. So I'm going to blend it too. So we have our apple juice. We're going to put it in our sphere. You can see how soft I blended it. Then we take our apple juice, we mix it that way. Then we put it on fire at low heat. So we leave it to boil. Then we'll add sugar and some lemon juice. So we are going to add sugar. So sugar you can add to your taste, and it's the one that makes the jam that sticky. Yeah, I've added mine 6 spoons, so I'll keep stirring as it boils. So you leave it to boil until it becomes this heavy. You can see how heavy it is. You must be patient, very, very patient with it. So I'll leave it for about 5 minutes, then I'll take it out. It's ready, so I'm going to put off my heat and leave it to cool. You can see how sticky it is. It spreads easily and very soft. That way. And there you have your jam, apple pineapple jam. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video until the end. If you haven't subscribed, kindly consider subscribing down below and hit that notification bell. Let's meet in my next video. Bye.